Assalamu alaikum. Let's complete our page 58. Okay. Uh, this page or this question especially, it's mental math. What is the meaning of mental math? I can solve it just by looking. Okay. The headline here, it's not quite right. Okay. But in your ministry book, this part is what is mental math. I can solve it just by looking, and let's learn how can we do this. Let's see here number A, 24 x equal 61 times 24. What do you notice here? When I don't have any operation, it means it's times. Okay, what do you notice? I have here what? I have here 24 and I have here 24. So just by looking, x equal what? X equal 61. I can solve it by this way in my exam. Okay, I can solve it, except he told me that it's mental math, or solve it mentally. Okay, so I want you to learn how can you solve it mentally, but when he told you to find solution set or solve equation, we have to solve it in steps as we learned before. Okay, let's see number A. 8 times 45 equal x times 35 plus 10. Okay, miss, I have two different operation here. I have times beside x and I have plus, or you can write it as what? You can write 35 plus 10 as what? As 45, right? If I write it as 45, I will have a common inside in the other side, yes? So I can write it as what? 8 times 45 equal x times 45. Now I have common? Yes, this 45 equal to this 45. So just by looking, x equal 8. And this one, 573 equal x plus 7 times 10 plus 5 times what? Times 100. Okay, 573. Do you remember in primary 2 or primary 3, when we talk the expanded form for this number, we can write it as what? 500 plus 70 plus 3. Okay, so I can write it as what? 500 plus 70 plus 3 equal what? Equal x plus 70. From where it says 70? Because 7 times 10 equals 70, and 5 times 100 equal what? 500. Now I have common between them. Yes, 500 and 500. Then 70 and 70. So x equal what? I'm sure you got it. Okay, x equal 3. Okay, number D, I have what? 482 equal y times 4 plus 8 times 10 plus 2. Once again, I have expanded form because 2 is look like the unit, and 8 times 10, it's 80, and this is the tens. So what do you notice here? I can write it as 400 plus 80 plus 2 equal y times 4 plus 80 plus 2. I have common 2 and 2, 80 and 80. So 400 equal y times 4. Okay, so just by looking, y here equal what? It is the hundredths place, right? So y equal what? Equal 100. Because 4 times 100 equal 400. Number E, 42 equal 2 plus y times 10. Okay, you can solve it by yourself. Number F, y times 7 plus y times 50, okay, equal 2 times 57. What do you see here? I have two different operations and they have common, right? And in the other side I have 2 times 57. When I have times and plus as two different operations, it reminds you by what? Distributive property, supers. Okay, distributive property. Okay, 2 times 57, I can write it as what in distributive property to make zeros or to be easier? 50 plus 7, right? Okay, let's see here. So y times 7 plus y times 50 equal what? Equal 2 times 50 plus 7. Okay, what do you notice? If I distribute 2 among these brackets, it will be what? 2 times 50 plus 2 times 7. Just by looking, y equal what here? Y equal 2. So here, when I put it here, y times 7 plus y times 50, if I want to make it, this is the expanded form for the distribution. If I want to make it the small or the not expanded form, compact form of the distribution, it will be what? Y times, open bracket, 7 plus 50. Okay, so y equal 2. Number G, 6 times 14 equal 6 times y plus 5. Okay, I have 6 here and I have 6 here. Okay, what shall we do now? If I want to make it as what? 14 equal what plus 5? Yes, it will be more easier to be 10 plus 4. I know, but he gave me what here? Y plus 5, and I want to know this y equal what? Okay, I can write 14 as 9 plus 5. Okay, now I have common. Yes, so y equal what? Equal 9. Number h here, r plus 2 times 7 equals 7 times 8. I have common, yes, 7 and 7. So r plus 2 equal what? Equal 8. Okay, 8 here, I can write it as what to be equal to r plus 2? Yes, I know 8 equals 6 plus 2. So just by looking r equal, yes, r equals 6. Thank you.